Shalom. The Crumb Snatchers wanted me to share something with you that we have been making for years. It is simple, fast, easy, edible, and quick. What time is it? It's time for us to get in, get out, and get our lives and craft. Let's begin. We will need candy canes, Reese's peanut butter cups, Kit Kats, Hersheys, coins, Wriggles Gum, Lifesavers in a roll, and Hershey Kisses.
Start by gluing the gum to the Lifesavers. Then after that, you're going to take a Kit Kat and you're going to glue it on top of the gum. Make sure it's dry before moving to the next step. And you can also glue the ends of the Kit Kat down so it doesn't look like a bird about to fly away. To make the chimney, you're going to glue the Hershey bar on top of the Kit Kat. And then you're going to grab a Reese's and glue it on top of the Hershey. You want all the smoke, so add a kiss to the Reese's. Then you're going to take the coins and glue them to the sides of the base. We did 2 coins for each wheel, so a big one, and then we glued on a small one on top of the big one, so it looks like a train on a train track. After all of that, you're going to take the mini candy canes and glue that on top of the wheels for the chugga chugga choo choo. Make plenty of trains so you can eat the candy after. All done. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays, and make sure you type choo choo in the comments if you like this video.